Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can share your Figma files and designs with others to give them the permission to edit these designs. So let us get started and show you how to make that happen. So head over to Figma and access your project and your designs. Let me go with this one here. So what you want to do, guys, here in your design is click on that share button in the top right corner. This is going to open up that window here for you. So you may use, for example, that share link here in the top right corner by clicking on it, copy link to copy that link to your clipboard. So now you may invite people to join you in your design, for example, and share that link via direct messaging services, emails, social media posts, etc., etc. You may also invite new co-workers and your contacts to work with you on your project and design by simply entering their email address here and by sending an email invitation. Before you do that though, guys, and if you'd like to give those invitees the permission to edit also your design, not only view it, you will need to do the following. Here under Who has access, click into the first option, Only those invited. And here, switch from Only those invited or invited people to anyone. That is going to open up that permission option below. What can they do? So as you can see, in default, it is on view. So you may switch to edit so that your invitees with the link or via the email invitation may also be given the opportunity to edit the given file. And that's basically it. After that, you may also add a password, for example. That's additional if you like here to add an additional layer of security. Let me skip that. So confirm by clicking on save here. And that's basically it. After that, simply invite your invitees or coworkers and give them the permission also to edit this design or file. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.